Hi, I'm LaShawn and welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here and you want to be inspired on a daily basis, then this is the perfect place for you. Start now by subscribing and clicking the bell. Hello, money makers. This is LaShawn and welcome back to my YouTube channel. The name of this YouTube channel is Money Minded Mama. That's right. We're here trying to find ways to make money on any given day. Let's get started with the video. Today we're going to be talking about how to make money on YouTube. It's real simple. Everybody's doing it. Okay, so you might as well too. Okay, the very first thing you need to do is to start your YouTube channel. We all procrastinate and say, oh, you know what? I'm going to start a channel. I'm going to do this, but we never get moving, you know? But you can get views. I'm just telling you that you can start a channel and you can get views on YouTube, but you have to make the first step and you have to create a YouTube channel. And that's really as simple as that. You just have to make videos, decide what you're going to focus on, and focus on a particular niche. And all you can do is just dive into it each and every day. And the secret is just be consistent. You could talk about whatever you want to, money. You could talk about lifestyle, grocery shopping, breastfeeding, whatever works for you. You can discuss anything you want to in your niche, and you'll attract the right kind of YouTube subscribers, because people on YouTube are interested in any and everything from money to building a house by themselves. So this is how you can do it. But you know what? The tricky part about a YouTube channel is that if you complain and say, I don't know, I'm not making no money on YouTube, all you have to do is look and see if you're consistent. Are you posting daily? Are you giving quality content? And you can't always go live. The problem with these young YouTubers are all they do is go live, have 10, 15, 20 people in a room and talk and do a video, and then that's it. YouTube is not going to push that video anymore. But if you do a video, you're going to attract the right subscribers to come, and people are going to constantly look at that video. You might start off at 10 views, then 20, then 50, then 100. But that is the way to do it. No excuses. You have to put the work in. As long as you keep creating content, as long as you continue to create vlogs and videos, the more your audience will enjoy your videos, the more your audience will want to connect, and the more money you'll make. Okay? So all you have to do is get 1,000 subscribers, and it's 4,000 watch hours, and you have to get it in about a 12-month period. So that's it. After that, they'll link up your AdSense account, and then you'll figure out how you're going to make your money through ads and ad revenue. They also have the premium revenue. They got the channel memberships. You can launch merchandise. Now they have super chat, and they have super thanks, super stickers. You know, it's just so many ways to make money, but you have to start your YouTube channel and continue to make content, and don't violate any policies. Do videos that are universal and people want to see. And I always say keep your YouTube channel advertiser friendly. So, basic things. Don't swear. Don't do a whole bunch of controversial things, because if you choose to do so, then advertisers have the right to not want to participate in your videos. Remember, you are making your money on YouTube through ads. And when advertisers advertise, so advertiser-friendly content is absolutely crucial for you to achieve your goal. It's absolutely crucial for you to make money. It's real simple. So make as many videos as possible. YouTube is ultimately a numbers game, and a lot of people just ain't figured that out. The number of views is the essential factor to success. And it's the only way to get your watch hours. So if you're going live all the time and you got 10 people in and out of the room but are not consistently in the room, you're barely getting any hours. But when you put out a video and people are constantly watching it, you will see your watch hours slowly increase on a daily basis. But, you got to put those videos out. People don't like to hear that because they want to just go live all the time. But it's absolutely 100% true. The more videos you post, the more likely you will succeed because of the number of video viewers your channel will get. Okay, you putting out different videos, different subscribers, different views with any given video. So just think about that. And don't forget about the YouTube premium subscribers also. That's another big thing. See, we're talking money now. So I want to make sure I hit everything. AdSense can pay quite a bit. But premium subscriber features on this platform, you can make money. Also, you can make additional income from that. But I'm not sure why, but a lot of YouTubers don't do their research. It's more than one way to make money on YouTube. And they just think, oh, I'll get monetized. But actually, it's different options, different things. Premium subscriber feature is a great feature. But, people have to learn for themselves. And unfortunately, many YouTubers don't pay attention to this opportunity and they just don't want the money. I guess they don't want the money. I don't know, but it's pretty lucrative. So anyway, you just have to get started. So start your YouTube channel. Be consistent. You could do any kind of YouTube channel. You could do faceless if you wanted to. You could do a how-to. You can do how to make money and those type of things. Do the type of videos that work for you and decide to pick a niche now that's also good and will get a great amount of subscribers. It's people who sell courses. It's people that do affiliate marketing. It's just so many ways to make money. When I first started, I was reviewing products, and that's how I was making my money. I was working with sponsorships and that type of thing, but I grew weary with selling services. It takes a lot out of me personally. But if you like to sell services, then you can sell services like, group counseling, group consulting, and you could, pan that to, your followers, subscribers, whatever you call them here on YouTube. And you can make your channel into a paid opportunity. So it's so many different ways for you to make money. So I didn't like the selling aspect. Selling products and all that going live. And a lot of people do that so they can sell merch. What I'm learning is people go live and they say they just live to promote their channel. But in all honesty, they selling merchandise to their subscribers. They got enough people following that you get into the room and now they're trying to sell you a coffee mug or a t-shirt. It's just, it's really tough. But right now, this is the perfect time to do a YouTube channel because they just made Super Chat available to all monetized subscribers, all monetized content creators. Now, this is the best thing YouTube got going. Super Chat is live and for premiums and that type of thing. But now, you just under all the videos, if you're monetized, they have what they call a super thanks, which you can click and you don't have to do the super chat on live stream or pay a monthly fee. But you want them to draw them in. You want people to come. You want them to join your channel. You want them to click super thanks. You want them to click super chat because that's how you make your money on YouTube. So these are just some of the things you need to think up. I've given you the information that you need, but you have to put the work in. You need to understand that it's so much money to be made on YouTube. And the first thing you need to do is start your YouTube account. These ideas right now in 2022 are perfect for anyone that's interested in trying to make money, anybody trying to work from home, anybody trying to find an online job. You cannot be stagnant. You can't sit on the sideline and just throw videos together live and think that you're going to be successful on YouTube. That's why you have people that's been on here for years not monetized. It only take a few months to get monetized. So all you need to do is put the work in and put the videos out. If you haven't heard anything else I said today, make the videos, put the videos out. You'll get 5 views on one and 500 on the other, but you're putting out videos that YouTube will promote eventually. You just have to continuously be consistent and take action on everything. Everything that you've read, saw, or manifested, okay? You have learned and built up everything you need to be successful here on YouTube. So you can grow your audience and you can have a lucrative platform. I mean money, money, and more money. And that's what we try to do here on Money Makers. We try to make as much money as we possibly can. So again, you can make this money on YouTube in 2022. Focus, be consistent, and start up your YouTube channel. Okay, that's all I got for you today. Thank you, Money Makers, for checking me out today, and I'll talk to you soon. Get to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks, Money Makers. Thank you guys for watching today. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Take a minute to leave a comment. I look forward to talking to you soon. Bye.